Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do this simple video because it was requested by a friend, by someone, about lashes. And it's true, it's really important to know how to put lashes on, what glue works, what doesn't work, and what are some lashes that I feel are more like natural looking and more dramatic. Because, you know, sometimes if you put, I don't like to put too dramatic eyelashes because I feel like it takes away from the look. And it can be a little heavy sometimes. But I'm gonna show you in this video what are some good lashes that I love and I think that are amazing and bomb and will look any eye look amazing. So if you wanna see how I put my lashes on and what lashes I recommend, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I got several lashes here that I just wanna show you guys so you guys can have like a little overview of different lashes. By far, my Ardele 120s or any Ardele lash I love so much, which I ran out. I have to really go to TJ Maxx and Walmart and really stock up again. But I wanted to talk, I'll put a picture up here of the Ardele ones so whoever wants to see them that haven't, you know, that are new to wearing lashes or they really haven't really explored what lashes, you guys can see like the lashes what kind of lashes they are, which I love so much. The other lashes that I love are these by Eyelene lashes. These lashes are so beautiful, like they're so nice. This one is single and ready to mingle, the 88133. And then I have another one, I have two more. So I stacked up on another one of those because I love them so much. They're bomb, they're affordable, they're like $2 something. Like you get them in TJ Maxx, I mean in Walmart, amazing, I love them. Also, if you hear my dog, I'm sorry because she's right here looking out the window, going berserk, and I hear music downstairs, so sorry guys. And then the other ones that I also love too that are a little bit more dramatic, they're still the same Eyelene single and ready to mingle instant volume. Like these are more like, they're lightweight. Like these lashes are lightweight. You put them on your eye, you don't even feel them, guys. Like I'm so serious. Like you put it on and it feels like you don't even have a lash. It looks so amazing and so natural and just so pretty. It makes it look so amazing. So yeah, these I really love a lot. I've been using them for a long time and I'm like, wow, I really love these lashes. I don't see a lot of people really rave a lot about these. I haven't seen them, you know, but I love these. So these, see, these are more like dramatic, a little bit more dramatic. So if you have like a simple eye look and you want to make it pop a little bit, I will go with these lashes and make it pop and make the eyes. If you want someone to focus on the eye, I think these are amazing. And then these, if you want to wear these, I wear almost every day in my Ardele ones. These are like more everyday lash. I feel like more natural, but it gives some oomph to the lashes and to the look, and it makes it look amazing. This other one that I have is from Kiss. I also love Kiss lashes, are bomb. These are the Kiss. Looks so natural. This I got in Walmart. Affordable, was like $2.98 or something like that. They're lightweight and comfortable, and they're in flirty, so flirty. These are pretty. I haven't worn them yet, but these are like 97% of lash users feel the difference. So these are actually good for people who wear contacts. They're good for people who wear contacts, so it's not going to irritate their eye or anything like that. So I really recommend this one. This is really pretty. And even that, if you want, see the difference of this one and this one. This one is a little bit more like light and not so full, but it will give you a nice finish in your eyes. And then this one is more like if you want to look more natural, more fuller lashes, then you use this one. So these are basically the lashes that I love, like really love. I don't like lashes that are too dramatic, that it makes it look fake and it makes it like you just have feathers on top of your eyes. I don't like that feeling. I want to feel like I have lashes on and it's going to extenuate the lashes that I already have, but I don't want people to be like, oh my gosh, she's wearing some fake lashes. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I don't want feathers on my eyes. I want them to look as natural and simple as possible, but to make the look amazing. So enough rambling and let me begin. So these are the lashes that I recommend for beginners and things like that. People who are simple, they want to learn how to apply lashes and all this good stuff. I feel that they're easier. The band is thin, so you could just put it in your eyes, and I think it's so much simpler than that than to go crazy trying to figure out. Also, let me forget. The lash glue that I also use is a Salon Perfect Get a Grip. I love this lash. I'm telling you guys, this lash, I put it a little bit on my hand and I put some in the back of my hair right here and I put it on my lash, and a couple seconds later, my lash already is getting tacky, because that's what you want. You want your lash to be tacky. You do not want it to just automatically put the glue and then put it in your eye, because it's not gonna stick. You want it to be tacky. So your lashes has something to attach to your lashes, you know, to your lash line. So you wanna put them as close as possible to your real natural lash. Don't put it legit on your lash and then put it legit close to your lash line so it can look as natural as possible. So I love this glue. There's another one too that I like. Let me show you. Hold on one second. Another one that I love too. I've heard so much from Juicy Jazz, a follower that I love. You know, I love her so much. She's a great, amazing. Love her makeup videos. This one also, the Kiss Lashes Strip Lash Adhesive Latex Free. This one as well. This isn't clear, so it will clear. It will dry clear. So I love this one too. This one was affordable. It was like $298 again. Once again in Walmart, it's very affordable. I like it because it has a little stick. I haven't used it yet, but I should use it. But so far, I just love this one too. Like I got this one like in the dollar store. Like I'm not even gonna lie, and it's like legit amazing. My lashes stay on all day. I don't have no problem, nothing. So I suggest try this, or you try this one, and you both ways you're gonna find the same results. I'm gonna use the one that I've been using every day, which is my Single and Ready to Mingle, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I use them and how I put them on and how I apply them. And I like using the tweezers. Do you know there's those tweezers that are specifically for lashes, but I use my regular tweezers. I mean, doesn't matter. So here I go. I'm gonna grab, so here are your lashes, right? And always look at your lashes the right way. So you put them next to you, you know that this one will be the right one and this one will be the left one. So I grab it with my lash, I take it out. Boom, I have a lash right here. Sometimes you wanna wiggle the lash just to kind of get it bended to look more natural. You don't want it to stick up or anything like that. So I grab it and, okay. Sometimes it's hard because I got some chubby little tiny fingers. Sometimes in the band, you'll see like a little piece hanging. That's okay, you could cut it off. If the lash is too long for your eyes, you can definitely cut it to fit your eyes. It's fine with that, but this one fits mine perfectly. So I grab it, I hold it like this. I then get a lash glue. I apply it in the back of my hand, like so. I'm just hoping my dog doesn't bark right now because she's seeing people. Get anything you want in the back of it. Grab the glue and you're gonna put it in the band like that. What I do after that, I get any mascara that you want, and you want to blend your real lashes to the falsies, and you just start from the bottom and just move up. Because I've seen girls that have false lashes and I'm like, oh my god, one is like and the edge is like hanging out. I'm like, does she even realize that it's just literally, it doesn't, you could tell that that's fake lashes, you know what I'm saying? We all know it's fake, guys, but we're trying to make it look as natural as possible. We don't want to be walking around and people are like, what the heck is that? Feathers in her eyes? Like, what is that? It's simple and easy. If you guys want me to do more in depth, let me know. I will surely will. There's no problem. Oh, let me do my lower lashes. So this is for you, for those that are are beginners in wearing lashes and trying to experiment and want to know how to really apply them and what are good lashes and what are good adhesive to use. I feel like those two adhesives that I said, this one and this one, I think is perfectly, I think it looks work as much. And the lashes that I said, that I named, I think those are phenomenal to start to begin with. If you are new at starting lashes and learning how to put lashes, I feel like it's easier to start with something more simple than to go with something so bold and heavy, and you're gonna feel heavy in your lashes. So yeah, guys, this is a simple how you put lashes on. I hope that you guys enjoy. This is for you, Lauren, who asked a video on lashes. So I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you learn how to wear lashes and what lashes are good and affordable, and you can find them in Walmart, TJ Maxx, all the good stuff. So yeah, guys, this was just a simple video today. I hope that you guys enjoy and you are enjoying your Saturday. It is beautiful outside. Make sure to go out, have fun with your family, with your children, with your kids, whatever it is. Do an activity, stay active, and like I always say, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and follow me on my socials. You know, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Facebook. It really helps my channel out. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys enjoy, and like I always say, may God bless you.